Hello everyone, welcome back. Haven't been filming much lately. Sorry about that. I've definitely been missing it. Just had a lot of kind of life-changing events happen in the past couple weeks. As you know, I'm a carpenter, and I've been building the tiny homes and the cabins and stuff, self-employed, and all that goodness. But I had some unforeseen medical bills pop up, like I mentioned in one of my last videos, and just kind of reality set in that I should probably find something again with, you know, full insurance and benefits and everything else. So one thing led to another, and I ended up talking with a company, and they hired me on as a superintendent for a kind of a project superintendent position. You know, running work. I'm still going to be working with my tools, but it's more management side of things, which is cool. Very, very nice company, family oriented. It is union, unfortunately, so that kind of sucks. I'm not really a huge union fan anymore, but it is what it is. I've got my insurance now, and it'll help for sure. But I'm still going to be building tiny homes and cabins on wheels and stuff, you know, on the side, so hopefully you'll see some more of that. But yeah, things have just been crazy kind of with that transition and trying to get a job finished up before I started there, and I've been there for 2 weeks now working, so it's going pretty good. But finally getting back on track. Like I said, I've been missing filming stuff, so I'm gonna try to start doing that more after work and on weekends and stuff. But I worked all day yesterday on another project of mine, building a 14 by 24, setting posts for the footers and everything. That's going to be an off-grid, kind of an off-grid hunting camp, a second cabin actually for some people, very nice people. So yeah, we got that going on. Stayed at the cabin last night, had a good time, had a fire, but kind of got up this morning and was a little bit lazy. Took a little nap after I got some food, and then I just finished mowing the yard before it rained again. So that was pretty cool at 5 o'clock this morning when I woke up and the rain was pounding the cabin roof. I always love that. But anyway, Sunday, just going to pick up my boy now, and gonna have him overnight and get ready for the work week. What's up, everybody? Just got home from work. Well, I got home from work probably half hour, 45 minutes ago. Just moved some logs down here to the mill with the backhoe. I gotta saw out some lumber for a rough cut porch on one of the tiny house jobs we did, and also material to build just a little 8x8 shed for a customer. But ran the mill a little bit last night, sawed up some pine, and turns out it wasn't very good. The ants got to it. Logs have been sitting in the let me set that down. Logs have been sitting in the field for a while, and I sawed open a couple of the logs, and the ants made quite the tunnels through it. But I got a bunch of larch here today. I want to make that porch and that shed out of the larch. It's rot resistant, and I think definitely for the porch, and it would be good for the shed too. Some of that pine we sawed last night could be used for the shed, but I definitely need some more. So I got to make 2x4s, 2x6s, and a couple 1xs. But either way, I think before I get going on that, I'm going to finish mowing this little patch here. get that finished up. Just looks nicer, and it was overgrown bad. I started a little bit there, but get the old John Deere fired up. I also want to get this all weed eated down too. And those white posts there, those 6x6s, are actually some posts we sawed for a guy. Shit, probably a year or two ago. Well, probably at least 2 years ago. And he sanded them all down, painted them, and then they weren't going to work for what he needed. So he wants me to just throw them back on the mill and saw them into 1x. But yeah, gonna saw this out, get it loaded up onto the trailer, and go from there, I guess. Well, the rain just broke loose. Thunder and lightning came in real fast. We weren't supposed to get this whole week, I didn't think, but that's the joys of living in New York. But you can see the steam kind of coming off the road. It was hot today. It was like 90, 92 or 93 I think it got up to. Where I was working on my job seemed like 200 though. But anyways, I'm gonna make this one short, probably end it here. I know this one was short and boring, but I promise I'll get back on track and start filming some cool stuff again. But at least I think it's cool. I don't know. Anyways, catch you on the next one.